you're seeing a date and you wonder what that date means. And I'm going to make the case that this is the most important date of the year. And I hope I convince you after that. But just let me start with something shocking first. I don't know how many of you know Justin Bieber. Next one. Uh, uh, now I'm going to tell you the most shocking thing of Justin Bieber's life. And you heard it from me first. If you look at all the fossil fuels ever burned in human history, 48% of them were burned in Justin Bieber's life. And he's born in 1994. I'm born in 1962 next. And over my lifetime, 81% of all the fossil fuels ever burned were burned in my lifetime. So I think my life is normal. But actually, it points out we're in a very peculiar situation, not just because of COVID, but even with the whole context of how we operate. Next one. So one implication, as you know, is climate. And there's just some key facts I would like to kind of put on the table to kind of situate ourselves where we're at. Because I think many people recognize with the Paris Agreement, we say, let's not get over 2 degrees Celsius warming ever. Uh, but then what does that mean in terms of how many greenhouse gases can we have in the atmosphere? Next, if you look at the IPCC report from 2014, they just showed kind of as an equilibrium model, it's the most simple models, how much greenhouse gas can we have in the atmosphere in order not to comply with Paris. And they came to the conclusion from looking at all the climate models that 450 ppm CO2 equivalent, that's just CO2 and all the other greenhouse gases, gives us a 66% chance not to exceed 2 degrees. So not 100%, just a 66% chance not to exceed the 2 degrees Celsius.